So, if you want to fix your Tapo camera's SD card if it's not formatting, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here. So, first thing that you could try doing here is you may want to restart the camera and try formatting again. Now, sometimes the camera just glitches during the first formatting attempt, so unplug the Tapo camera, wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Then open the Tapo app, try formatting SD card again, and see if that works. Now, if that doesn't work, you want to make sure you're using the right type of SD card. Now, Tapo cameras works best with a Class 10 or a UHS-1 micro SD cards between like 8 GB to 256 GB. Now, if the card is too slow or very old, the camera may keep failing to format it. So, make sure you have this type of SD card. Now, from then on, you want to go and just insert the SD card fully until it clicks. So, take out the SD card, reinsert it gently but firmly. But if it's not pushed all the way in, the camera won't detect it properly and formatting will fail. So, make sure it's properly inserted. Next thing that you want to do is you want to format the SD card using your phone or computer first. Now, if the camera can format it, use another device to clean it up. Format it to FAT32 or for cards less than 32 GB. Now, or exFAT for cards above 64 GB in storage. Now, then put it back in the camera and try formatting again from the Tapo app. Now, also, some models have storage protection settings that block formatting. So what you need to do is you want to go and just go to your camera settings, go to storage, and you want to go and just go to the SD card. Now, you need to do this inside the Tapo app here. Now, if you see any protection toggles, turn them off while formatting. Now, you can re-enable them later on. And also, you may want to try a different SD card to rule out a faulty one. So SD cards do fail, especially cheaper ones or older cards. Try a known good card and see if the camera formats it instantly. Now, if it does, then your original card is the issue. And the final thing that you can try doing here is to basically reset the Tapo camera if nothing works. Hold the reset button on the camera for about like 5 to 10 seconds to restore default settings. Now, after the resets, retry formatting with a freshly formatted card. Now, if even that fails, the SD card reader inside the camera may be faulty, so support might be needed here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.